I'm Volia Demka and I'm Seattle-based filmmaker. I'd like to tell you about the feature documentary, The Songs of Old Europe, Ancient Belarusian Folk Songs, that I have recently completed. It talks about the gradual disappearance of oldest European folk songs that are still performed today, Belarusian folk songs. In a sense, you can call it a one-woman project, since I wrote, produced, directed, shot good portion of it, and edited an entire piece myself. But without the help and support of literally hundreds of people all around the globe, the film today would still be just an idea. Now the documentary is complete, and I'm helping local businesses, creating ads, promotional and instructional videos for them. And whether you're planning a grand production or just a short promo video, I'm ready to help you bring your creative project to life. I'm Volia Demka and I'm Seattle-based filmmaker, producer and editor.